Hi, my name is Javanti. I'll be addressing a few questions for Anatomy and Physiology 2. First question is, which type of hormone receptor, plasma membrane or intracellular membrane, would be expected to provide the most long-lived response to hormone binding and why? From doing research, I learned that intracellular receptors are receptors located inside of the cell rather than on its cell membrane. They create a hormone receptor complex which stimulates the production of mRNA, which is known as messenger RNA. They convey genetic information from DNA to the ribosome, where they specify the amino acid sequence of the protein products of gene expression. Once read by a ribosome, a protein is then synthesized. Hormone binding to the plasma membrane activates second messengers that are degraded rapidly by intracellular enzymes. Therefore, binding of a hormone to intracellular receptors would result in the most long-lived response because intracellular receptors causes the synthesis of new proteins. My second question is, a second question that I'm addressing, not my question. Roger Peterson has severe arthritis and has been taking prednisone, a glucocorticoid, for 2 months. He isn't feeling well, complains of repeated colds, and is extremely puffy. Explain the normal role of glucocorticoids. So glucocorticoids are steroids that occur naturally in the human body, secreted by the adrenal glands. These glucocorticoids can also be made into drugs, which are man-made if they are made into a drug. And they're man-made versions of the natural produced steroids in the body, the glucocorticoid. The roles of these steroids are to interrupt inflammation by moving into cells and suppressing the proteins that promote inflammation. So there mainly is to prohibit inflammation. This steroid also helps to mediate the stress response. So in long-term usage of these steroids can suppress the protective role of the immune system in a person and increase their risk of infection, which is probably why Roger Peterson was experiencing the puffiness and the coughing. All right, thank you.